Decide. What do you want? That's the basic question you have to answer before you will ever achieve life-changing and long-lasting results. You have to decide what it is that lights you up more than anything else. What is it that will make you want to wake up early in the morning and jump out of bed so you can get to it? What is it that lights a fire in your belly so hot that you can't think of anything else but taking steps to get to it? That's what you have to decide. And when you do, it's because you have spent time with yourself, digging deep into your soul to discover what your heart is saying about you. Because the kind of work that winners do doesn't just happen. People that win have cultivated a burn for achievement in their soul that drives them to become their ultimate self. Winners have spent days and hours in conversation with themselves about who they are on the inside and who they want to be. And because they have put in that time, an unmistakable separation between what is and what should be grows to the point that it produces in them a reaction in the form of work. And work is where achievement comes from. Constant and sustained work. And the good news is that we live in a country that allows us to do something about it. About our dissatisfaction between what is and what should be. We work in a company that encourages us to examine ourselves and to clarify what separates us from our ultimate self. It gives us specific instructions on how to rectify. When we're trying to clarify who we want to become, we have the opportunity to look at those who made it before us. People who have determined that they weren't who they wanted to be and put forth their effort to make things right with themselves. In America, we often call these people celebrities because we celebrate what they have achieved. True celebrities earn our respect. And when they speak, we show up. When they give us the chance, we express our admiration and thank them for inspiring us. We keep them in the forefront of our own minds as examples as we resume our work on ourselves and drive toward our own personal success. So what is it that you want? You have to decide that, and you have to decide it today. Because just like we tell our customers every day, we aren't promised tomorrow. Your future, your true identity will begin to emerge the moment you decide.